you ever have to go to therapy, or how did you go through all your anxious phases, and how did you?
Like I said, that phase of 24, 25, I became my own therapist by reading those books. Like Louis Hay, You Can Heal Yourself is one of those books which
Heal
I
your
just
life.
heal your life, yeah. So I'd become my own therapist. But having said that, I feel it's great to go to therapy, and let's understand, right? Why do we need that external support? Because even from families, now certain families or certain parents will choose the right words during communication, and some people, because they don't know any better, can be harsh to their kids who are trying to maybe do something. They're anyways feeling dejected in their career, and then parents say tum to kisi layak nahi ho. A lot of harsh words can be used, and we don't understand how it can impact a person's psyche. And I feel it's great to be able to speak to a therapist if someone needs to, because they will you need to be heard. And a lot of people don't actually hear you. Everyone out there in the world is trying to give you gyan, but nobody's listening. And if anybody finds themselves in, I know of people who done therapy. I've done a session once myself, because I just wanted to speak. Sometimes you just don't want to be judged and speak. And not that there was, once though I did a session because I was like, I want to see if there's something wrong. I want to figure out. And that was a therapy. That wasn't therapy, that was like a breathwork therapy. So they say that there are layers inside you that sort of peel through breath that you may not be aware of. So I was like, मुझे भी जानना है. Like, I really want to know if I have any layer like that, because I don't know. Like, I think I'm very happy. So I'd gone there and done that breath work, and suddenly, like, something happened and I started crying. And so there are these interesting tools to sort of, the thing is, we've made it such a taboo that speaking to a therapist is not cool. But I think it's great that people are talking more about it, and you
Have
must.
to
I mean,
normalize
if
it.
you have to normalize it. If you can, your well-being begins here. There's no point of keeping your houses clean if you can't keep your mind and your body clean. As simple as that. So I think a healthy mind and a healthy body, and then you can do whatever you want.